In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your profile icon in Microsoft Teams. Having a profile picture in Teams helps your colleagues recognize you quickly, and it makes your account feel a bit more personal and professional. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once Teams is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small circle where your initials appear, or a generic person icon if you haven't set a picture yet. This is your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. A small menu will appear showing your name, email, and some account options. Within that profile area, look for a small camera icon. This camera icon is what you'll use to change or add your profile picture. Click on the camera icon. When you do this, a window or panel will open, giving you the option to upload a new image. Next, you'll see a button labeled Upload. Click on Upload. This will open a file browser window on your computer. From here, navigate to the folder where you've saved the picture you want to use. It could be a professional headshot, a clear selfie, or a simple image that represents you. For best results, choose a clear, well-lit photo where your face is easy to see. Once you've found the image you want, click on it and then confirm your selection in the file browser. Teams will then show you a preview of the picture. Take a moment to check that it looks the way you want. If the image appears cropped oddly or doesn't look right, you can cancel and upload a different one. If you're happy with how the photo looks, find the Save button and click on it. This step is important because your picture won't actually be updated until you hit Save. After a few seconds, your new profile icon should appear in the top right corner, replacing the old initials or generic icon. And that's it. You've successfully added your profile icon in Microsoft Teams. Now, whenever you join meetings or send messages, your picture will display alongside your name, making it easier for others to recognize and connect with you.